Hi there, I'm back. I've done lots of changes and I've got a list of all these changes. It's not complete, but I thought I'd show you just so you know where I've been going and what I've been up to. We'll just run the app. I'll clear up the back there so you can see stuff better. First thing we're going to go to is auto schedule, and you'll notice now that I have seconds. That's because, well, let's face it, my swimming club, they get people in and out of the pool in less than 20 seconds, sometimes even quicker. So we need seconds here just to get a rough time, an estimated time. Also, I've tidied up these things down here, made them a bit more wordy. Press auto schedule, and if you've got the form open, you'll see it over here in the column. Yep. Righto. Next, tools, swimming categories. First two lines in this table, they're identical. They're 9 years and above. So we need something to separate them. So we use this tag. It's a metadata tag. What's all that about? Well, I wanted to introduce metadata some time ago. I never got around to it, but it's a useful thing if you want to filter stuff and do fancier analytics and reports and stuff. So it was time. So there you go. The competitive keyword or tag separates these two swimming categories. We'll close that and we will go to members. Down the bottom here, if I can get the little cursor thingy working, is where you just fill in lots of tags. You can have more than one. Why? Well, you saw that competitive links that member to that particular swimming category. Also, you can use it for other things like disabilities that members may have. I think there's the Paralympics, I think, has sort of a grouping from 1 to 10 or something. So you can just put all those tags in, and that means that when you do an auto build, you can group people on their swimming abilities. It could be useful also for schools. All right, and then of course over the other side here, there's another little table which I think we were talking about before, which is roles. And I've already sort of populated a little table with some ideas as what roles there might be in a club, but you'll be able to change all this stuff and make it whatever you want, really. Yeah. If we sort of pop over to the database designer, we've got members, we've got this little thingy here called a many-to-many relationship, and then we've got a table full of roles, which means, of course, a member can have more than one role. So if you wanted to find all the committee members for the year 2023 or something, this is what this table's all for. All righto. And then what else we need? Got to show you. Heats. I've changed the graphics here for each event. Just sort of want to standardize it a little bit more. If I'd sort of called them, I came up with my own terms, to be honest. I thought it was a bit easier to read, but I've sort of, we've got to keep to the standard. So I've sort of rebuilt them, as it were. And there are other stuff I've done, but that's all I really wanted to show you right now, just to say that I've been sitting here working hard, just for you guys. And we'll catch you later. Cheers.